What's up, guys? So, you know I'm a little more natural most of the time. Sometimes you just gotta go bold, sometimes you gotta have fun. So, for this look, stay tuned. Faces put together, let's do a fun eye look.
We're starting with Candlelight, which is a good base and a natural cover for all of that redness and discoloration. Doesn't look like it's too terrible until you put the Candlelight right on it, and then you can see that we just need like a nice, even, clean canvas to get started. The biggest thing, blend it everywhere. Put it all over your whole eyelid. We are going to build lots of colors on top of that. Then we're going to go with Mocha Java Shimmer, and we're going to put it right in the crease portion of our eye. So we are going to make our eyes a lot darker, but we still want to start with a little bit of natural dimension, and we're going to do a little bit of the shimmer. So it's not going to be very glittery, but it does give us a little bit of shimmer to build upon. Blend, blend, blend. Always blend. Next, we're going to use Denim. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's also very bold, so when you put it on, it is very bright. Don't be scared of it. Just take your brush, and I'm kind of tapping it, patting it in close to my eyelashes, all over the base of my lid, and I'm going to pat it in and rub it in all over that, like the bottom third of my eyelid is really where I want to focus the blue. I am going to blend it a little bit higher than that also, but mostly you want to focus it on the bottom. So tap, tap, tap. Tapping is going to give you a little bit more pigment than rubbing and brushing is. So tap it in and then blend it out. Next, we're going to go with Garnet, and Garnet is going to give us a good bit of dimension in our crease. So you are going to tap that in as well, right into that corner, almost like the middle part of your eyelid, right underneath your brow bone, and you're going to create a pretty dramatic V with it. You can tell that I am tapping it in as well. Tap, 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 and then blend. And then tap, 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 and then blend. And then tap a little bit more, and then blend a little bit more. So I did grab a different brush here. I needed something a little bit fluffier to blend in that upper corner of my eyelid where the lighter Candlelight is still popping through. And then go ahead and do the other eye. Tap, 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 blend, blend, blend. Tap, 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 blend, blend, blend. Tappity tap, blend, blend, blend. Okay, that's annoying, sorry. And then blend a little more. Okay, but seriously, you just gotta blend a lot. Don't be afraid, we're gonna keep building on this. Doesn't have to be perfect, just make it look good. Next, we're going to go with Onyx. Onyx is going to give us the true depth and dimension in the darkness of our eye. So you're going to put that in the same place that you put the Garnet, except when you are blending it, you're going to make it kind of pull out to like the corner of your eyebrow, and you're going to do it in a pretty dramatic V. Whereas the Garnet we kind of took and blended into the inner corner of our eye, the black we're going to really focus just in that outer corner. I'm using a denser brush here, which means the bristles are tighter together so that I can really focus the color right in those corners where I want them. So really tapping as opposed to blending and brushing right here. Just kind of tapping everything in to keep the depth. And you can see I'm pulling that color out way past my eye to create the illusion that my eyes are quite bigger. Then I'm going to take that same brush with just the residue that I have on it from using it on the top of my eyelid and just kind of rub it on the bottom, just like a little bit of eyeliner. We're going to take Mocha Java Shimmer again, and we are going to put that just over the center bottom third of our eyelid. This is just going to give us a little bit of reflection, bring in a little bit of that brown and gold fleck over top of the blue, and it's just going to kind of blend together the three colors that we have on our eyes. Next, we're taking Denim again. I love this blue. It's just so pretty. All right, I'm taking it on a dense bristled brush, and I'm putting it on the bottom of my eye as eyeliner, but I'm also going to continue that line right out as far as I pulled the Onyx and the Garnet out. So we're creating the like corner triangle of our eye with it. So you want to pull it out pretty far in that bottom line. I'm just blending a little bit with my finger to smudge it out. And then you're going to take Onyx and kind of do the closer to the inner part of your eye and pull it all the way out again and blend it right into your Denim. You're also going to do that on the top. Now, on the top, we're going to do a winged liner, and this is going to give us some drama for our eyes, and this is a big part of the look. So you want to pull that bottom part of your eyeliner into the top, and you want to create the line that you want. So do you see how I'm kind of starting on the outside about the end of my eyebrow, and then I'm bringing it in from there and connecting the rest of my inner eyeliner. So draw the line out, and then pull it in, and from there, you'll take your brush and press it in to your lash line. And I'm using Onyx for this again. And then just kind of matching my wing liner. All right, I have a little bit of smudging going on. So with this look, you want to make sure that it's clean line. So I'm taking a little bit of Foops on a Q-tip, and I'm just cleaning up where I have a little bit of smudging going on. Doesn't take much, just a teeny tiny bit. All right, next I'm going to use Pearlizer for my highlighter. Because my drama and dimension is coming from such dark colors, I still want a little bit of a highlight in my upper part of my eyelid, but I don't want it to be so dramatic that it looks like a different color or pigment added. So Pearlizer is going to give you a little bit of shine, a good bit of reflection without being too much. So I'm just lining the entire underside of my eyebrow, the inner corners of my eyes, and a little bit underneath where I've done the Onyx and the Denim, just for some brightness. Next, I'm going to take our bronze powder dust. I'm unscrewing the lid, and you can see all the powder residue that you can get from inside that lid. I'm going to tap off my brush because I don't want too much powder to fall all over my face, but I just really want to blend that garnet line into the top of my eyelid. So it's just going to be a soft transition, so I'm not putting tons of it on, but I am using it to kind of blend it so that it is very soft. Although the eye look is dramatic, we still don't want it to be so defined right there. So just blending it in with a little bit of our bronze dust, and the best part of our Shadowsense is that it's going to keep that bronze dust on and make sure it doesn't fall all over my face. Here I'm using Mocha Shimmer, and I'm just putting that in the wet line of my eye to give me a little bit more reflection. Same color that we used on the top of our eye for reflection and a little bit of sparkle. And same thing here right in the wet line. Gonna make your eyes pop. You always need mascara. Always, 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 always. So I am putting on Black Lash Sense, putting it on the bottom and on the top to complete our look to make sure that we have enough drama in the eyes. All right, there she is, guys. Hope you like it, hope you enjoy. I love the drama looks, and don't forget to subscribe.